Pan penkiu shushu ya ki jaka jungok kai perthai hapo ka jala Meghalaya ka jongi Menteri rang badu ka jala Conrad Sangma menta ka sngi ula Plie ya ka travelers nas ka badan ha ka Shnong Kyiem Mawphlang East Khasi Hill District ha ka jinga don lang Minister ka tourism uba Paul Lengdo ha ka ba kila penmi ya pratli ki kali nang ta ya baro ki jengdon kam jong kane ka jaka jungok kai perthai nakabentaban pensuk ya kinong lek nong wan kibawan jungokai nakaleng kapertay hapo kane kajaka.
Something more like one. Yeah, that makes the logo should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. So today we have flagged off 8 of these vehicles. As you can see, on a regular basis, this is being done, and we want to touch as many as possible. And this is going to be a great source of employment generation, as well as it will fill up the gap. These are all people who have been involved in the tourism sector, but they never got the support in the past. They wanted to start their own services, but finally now they're getting an opportunity. So I hope that with this we will see a change in the overall way in which we'll be able to provide better services to the tourism sector.